Samsung is gearing up to unveil its Galaxy Tab S11 series at IFA 2025, and fresh leaked renders have given us a detailed glimpse of the standard Tab S11. While the spotlight may shine on the larger Tab S11 Ultra, the base model is quietly redefining Samsung's tablet design philosophy. Front design: sleek, symmetrical, professional. The Galaxy Tab S11 sticks to a familiar formula with slim, uniform bezels surrounding its 11-inch AMOLED display. This minimalist approach emphasizes balance and symmetry, hallmarks of Samsung's tablet lineup. It's a design that feels more like a precision tool than a flashy gadget, ideal for professionals and productivity-focused users. Rear design: minimalism. Over megapixels in a surprising move, Samsung has dropped the dual camera setup seen on the Tab S10 Plus in favor of a single rear sensor. The camera ring design borrows directly from the Galaxy S25 series, reinforcing brand consistency across devices. This shift signals a clear message. The Tab S11 is built for efficiency and focus, not spec sheet showmanship. S Pen groove removed. Clean aesthetics, mixed reactions, the renders confirm the absence of the S Pen groove on the back, a signature feature of previous Samsung tablets. Instead, the rear panel remains uninterrupted, featuring only subtle antenna lines and pogo pins for accessories. While this creates a cleaner, more refined look, some users may view it as a trade-off in functionality. Build and materials: premium. Yet portable Samsung continues its use of armor aluminum, giving the Tab S11 a flat, monolithic back panel that echoes the design of its flagship smartphones. At just 5.5mm thick and weighing 482 grams, the tablet strikes a balance between portability and durability. Available in silver and gray, the finish leans more toward professional-grade tech than playful consumer aesthetics. Final thoughts: The Galaxy Tab S11 may not be the flashiest tablet in Samsung's lineup, but its restrained design, premium build, and productivity-first approach make it a compelling choice for users who value form and function. With its official debut expected at IFA 2025, Samsung is clearly refining its tablet strategy: less noise, more purpose.